As a barista, these are the 3 simple basic things that you can do or improve on the way you're doing them in your coffee shop so that you can become a better barista. Being a barista and visiting multiple coffee shops, I've come to discover most of the baristas overlook these 3 simple things, and yet they play a very big role in their roles as a barista in a coffee shop. The first one, which is the customer service. The second one, which is the cleanliness of your station. The third one, which is time management. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Doro the Barista, and this channel is all about sharing coffee knowledge so that you can make a better cup of coffee. Being a barista and visiting multiple coffee shops, I've come to discover most of the baristas overlook these 3 basic things. And I would like to start with the first key thing, which is very important, and this is customer service. Often when I go to coffee shops, I come to discover most of the baristas love making coffee than giving the proper and the best customer service to the customer. As a barista, you should understand customer service plays a very big role. You should understand as a barista, customer service is 50% and making coffee is 50%. So you should always make sure like your customer is satisfied. Simple things like welcoming in a customer every time he comes to your coffee shop. This is going to make the customer feel welcomed. Also explaining the menu in details to the customer. This will help the customer understand the drinks and the products you're selling in your coffee shops. This will help a customer pick the right item that will suit him or her. Also, make sure to serve the coffee on time. This is very important. And also, saying a thank you to a customer and wishing like they will come back again to visit your coffee shop. This will give you a higher potential for the customer to come back to your coffee shop. So the second key thing you should implement as a barista is cleanliness. Cleanliness is very important as a barista, starting with your body hygiene, coming to your working station. Your working station as a barista, it should be clean and organized at all times. This will help you as a barista have a consistent and a good working environment. And also to the customer, he will feel very happy whenever he sees a good working station and very clean. So as a barista, just a simple tip, you should always have these towels in your working station, starting with our first towel, which is for cleaning the steam wand. Always ensure your steam wand, every time you finish steaming, you should always clean it with a clean towel and also purge it out so that you remove the remaining milk. You should have another towel for cleaning your drip tray and also the machine. You should also have another towel for cleaning your working station. You should emphasize like your working station to be clean at all times. You can also have a small brush to clean your grinder so that you can remove all the grinds that have been pouring when you're making the coffee. Make sure like at all times your working station is very clean as a barista. So we'll talk about the third basic thing that you need to do as a barista, and it's often overlooked by most of the baristas, and this is time management. As a barista, you should understand time management is key. It will improve on your service in your coffee shop, and it will also help you provide the best customer service to the customers. Time management, you should manage your time from the time you receive an order and the time it's going to take to prepare that order. Most of the coffee shops have an estimate of the time that you need to prepare each certain coffees at a given time. So you should ensure like your coffee is always prepared in the estimated time, considering the standard of your coffee shop. This will ensure like you give the best quality to the customers. If you fail to manage your time as a barista, you're going to end up serving a bad cup of coffee. If it's a hot coffee, you're going to end up serving it when it's almost cold, and this will be very bad for the customer, which might lead to loss of customers. As a barista, you should have a very good time management from the time that you receive an order and prepare it and serve it on time. This will give the best experience to your customers. And some additional tips, which are good teamwork with your colleagues. This will make the workflow very easy, to improve on your good communication so that you can meet the customer's demand and also provide a good service. If you're looking to start your journey as a barista, I would recommend you check out this video. It's about how to become a barista. I'll link it also in the description below. You can check it out. It can be very important. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.